Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Sadegaonkar and today I am going to tell you about Java, that is the introduction to Java. So Java is a popular programming language that was created in 1995 by the Sun Microsystems and now it is owned by the Oracle Corporation, and there are more than 3 billion devices run the Java. Now why to use Java only? Then there are some reasons, or we can say there are some advantages that leads us to use the Java. So the first is the Java is the platform independent language. So the platform independence means the Java can run on any platform like Windows, Linux, MacBook, etc. The second is the it has the large demand in the current job market. Third is the Java is the open source and free. It is an object oriented programming language that the Java supports the object oriented concepts like encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, etc. So we can use the Java in a very well manner. Another advantage of the Java is the Java is one of the secure language, or it is the one of the protectable language, as the Java hides the concept of the pointers that leads us to the more secure than the other language. In short, we can say that the Java is a high level platform independent, high object oriented and the secure programming language. The Java is used in some of the applications like for the application development, embedded system, gaming, robotics, secure cards, etc. Now when we learn the Java, we commonly come across some of the terminologies like JRE, JDK or the JVM. So now we are going to look at these terminologies. So the first is the JDK. So the JDK stands for the Java Development Kit. It is a package used by the developers to create, compile and run the Java applications. JDK includes the development tools like compiler, debugger or the various utilities. It also includes the JRE. Now what is the JRE? The JRE stands for the Java Runtime Environment. The main component of the JRE includes the JVM and the core libraries, class loaders and the various memory areas. Now what is the JVM? So the JVM stands for the Java Virtual Machine. It is an integral part of the Java runtime environment, that is the JRE, and it is responsible for executing the Java bytecode. Means for the execution of our program there is a the JVM is responsible for our execution of the program. Now what are the real-time examples of the Java? So the real-time examples of the Java includes the online gaming application like Minecraft, desktop application like IntelliJ, mobile operating system like Android, financial application for the companies like Citibank, enterprise Java application for the database persistence, microservices for the Docker based deployment. There are some disadvantages of the Java also, like performance. Java programs take much longer time than to run than as compared to the C and the C++. Memory. In case of the memory, since the Java programs run on the top of the Java virtual machine, that is the JVM, it consumes the more memory. The third is the low level programming. The Java does not support the low level programming like pointers. And the garbage collection, and about the garbage collection, there is no control over the garbage collection in a Java. So that's all about the introduction to the Java. Thank you.